Like the video. Hey, I got another video for you guys. This one's gonna be short and sweet as usual, okay? But you already know that. It's gonna be on a pair of Vans, my personal favorite. All right, look, you can't go wrong with the classic pair of Vans, all right? They classic. So I'm gonna be removing the Vans logo and putting my own logo. I've actually seen this gain some popularity where people will, let's say, remove a Nike swoosh and put their own logo. So I thought, why not do it on a pair of Vans? And that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So if you want to see that, if you're interested, watch the video. But other than that, that's all I really got for you guys. So I hope you enjoy the content. If you like the video, yeah. But we better hop into this custom. Let's get it.
Wonder.
That's where we are right now. Got that white arrow, that little blank section right there. You can do whatever you want. I decided to put that there because I want to put little symbols. Decided to put a little tiny heart right there, okay? Why? Because I wanted to. The other side, we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm not sure yet, but I think I know where I'm going with it.